Yep.
All right, so here we are, 7/25/2025, 8:51 in the morning. Currently 82 degrees. It's going to be a hot day. 6 mile an hour wind. Claim number 3683F506F. As you can see, this shingle here, it's got the creases and tears. This is the one obviously already unsealed. This is the one that we're getting rid of. This is a 20-year shingle going back with a 25 as State Farm recalled to do. So there's our shingles around that could have damage, but we're going to get this taken out. Got to take these nails out and the nails out above it. So let's go ahead and get started. Unseal this first. We'll unseal all of these. One thing to note, let's see if I have it. One sec, give me just a second here. Sorry about that. Before I get into these, you can see there's no granules coming off. Just so you can see that there's no granules coming off of these. There is chalk, but not granules. So let's go ahead and get going. Sorry about that. All right. That's convenient. Do it. Alrighty. So, you can see, well, it's not too bad there. The nails, just here. There it is, material transfer. Right over there, a little bit here. I don't know about that other tab that fell off, but anyways, so got that going. These all feel okay. This one has a little bit of material transfer. And it's also got this tear, you can see from whenever we were pulling it apart. So we've got one tear there. There is material transfer on the bottom of these. I don't know how well we can, let me see if I can find a good one to try to get in there. It's kind of hard to do it and keep that angle, but best we can do there to show you the material transfer. Let's go ahead and put this in. Not that one, it fell off the roof. Okay, so simple slide it in here where it goes. Right up the keyways. Right there. Manual's falling off of there. Trying to just see if it creases or not. This one here did. You can see right here. You see that line in it? You just go like this. You don't have to rub hard. I mean, it's the same thing here. And this is because of when we went to do the nail. See, this is where it bends. Now that is where the crease is on both of these. So these both have a crease. This one here had a tear. That one feels good. That one feels good. There's the one with the material transfer. And then you also have degranulation. So due to, you know, you have creasing on these two that you got to go. This one held up pretty good. Whenever we nailed these two held up good, but this one is bad. This one tore, and then we have the material transfer that's happening on this one and degranulation. So 1, 2, 3 shingles failed when we tried to repair this one. So because of that, this one is deemed a failure. Thank you.